Namaste everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to open your middle triplet, which exercise you need to do. So, let us follow us, and this exercise very beneficial for you who are face problem to stiff your hip. So, let us follow our video and see the full instructions. Okay, let us begin. Stand in your yoga mat, motion. So, first normal, open your leg according to your body movement. So, first gapchan chai, thang chan pai, heat and thora, gapchan chai, gon chan pai len, then danta yoke ninchuak, then slowly hit wow, doi ben thora. Try to be model goi, gon chan chai len, hit wow, doi ben thora. Remember everyone, gon chan len, hit wow, tha. Good. Hit len. Continue, thora, tutu. Hit wow, thora. 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 Hit lane, continue, thora. Hit wow, thora. This exercise make your hamstrings loose. Hit wow, also flexible your thighs muscles, thora. Okay, then hold there. 1, 2, kui suang, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ding lane, hit wow. Same practice. Doi ben thara, gap chen phai. Okay, mo ban chen, okay bin thuang, kui suang, gon chen chai len, gon chen chai. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, ding lane, come back. So, now second exercise. This is first exercise, then second for full release your hamstrings and glutes and scrum. Okay, banchan swai. Both like feet apart, both sides. Chan phai, swai phai, chan chai, swai chai. And both sides try to be gapchan first. Check your knee and heel equally 90 degree. Daugoi, gotchan, chin moido. Thanglung ninchuak. Chi mochan muchut. Ha, mong thanglung. Then remember hit wow hai tai len. Thangchan, tai len dui thara. Gapchan, hit sau, thara. Hit wow, thara. Hit wow. This exercise release your scrum and hamstrings. Thara. Hit wow. Continue try 10 to 15 repetition. Thara. Hit wow, lam lai, thara. Hit wow again, thara. Lam lai. Hit sau, thang tai, thara. Again tutu. Hit sau. Slowly stretch, good, thara. Again hit wow, gapchan, thara. Then last time, hit, wow. So again must remember, 1, Davgoi and Gotchen equal chinmoy, both sides, and you can see both knees equal chinmoido. High, ba, bone, nam, thara, sao. High thigh line do it. That 2 exercise good for your hamstrings loose and flexible your buttocks. And your full posture, now we practice how many times we can do. So, let us see full middle split. First, open leg, mochen bantai sum. Good. So, now full open leg, mochen, then bantai swai. Good. Slowly. Remember everyone, focus in our hand. Then Gonchen lane. Stand in your heel. Gonchen lane. So can see swai chai, swai phi. Toes up down, up down, up down, up down, up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then mong lên bên thuông khiu tai sung. Khiu tai. Kham ko mong sung. So everyone, remember one thing. When you hold this posture, need to be hip up, don't be hip down. Just hold. 1, z. 2, 3. Mong lên chi. 4, 5, ninchua. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Monsoon. That time remember monsoon. Okay. Hai tai thang lên, goi lên. Okay. So, this is full middle split position. Like Bhunaman Asana. We can just show how to we do. We not show how to release more exercise with flow. So now, full Bhunamanasana. First, if you beginner, so Khiu Tai Song first. Adai Tap Koban. If one lam new, so first Hai Tai Thang. For intermediate people and Gonchen Lane. Gonchen Lane, good. Second. And full actual exercise, Hai Tai catch your big toe. And Nuke Lane down in.